Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing Slack versus Microsoft Teams. Now, Slack is a popular collaboration and messaging platform designed for team communication, offering channels, direct messages, and integrations with various apps and services. While Microsoft Teams, on the other hand, is a collaboration tool deeply integrated with Microsoft 365, offering chat, video calls, file sharing, and extensive organizational tools for business communication. Now let's go over their pros and cons, starting with Slack here. Now the pros of Slack is that it is easy to use with an intuitive interface, is extensive integrations with third-party apps like Excel and Google Drive. It is also a flexible channel. It also has flexible channel for organization for teams, and it is a powerful search and archiving feature. Now the cons of it is that it can become cluttered with a high volume of channels. It also has limited features with the free version, like the message history, which is very limited, and can be overwhelming for large organizations. Now for Microsoft Teams, the pros of Microsoft Teams is that it has seamless integration with Microsoft 365 apps like Word, Excel, and more. It also has built-in video conferencing and file sharing capabilities. It has strong enterprise-level security features and includes both chat and collaborative tools in one place. Now, the cons of it is that it can be overwhelming with this many features, and the user interface may feel cluttered for newcomers, and it is limited third-party app integrations compared to Slack. So, which one is right for you? So, you should choose Slack if you prefer a simple, user-friendly messaging platform with robust third-party integrations, and go with Microsoft Teams if you're already using Microsoft 365 and need an all-in-one solution with built-in collaboration tools for larger teams or organizations. So yeah, that is it. That is the difference between Slack and Microsoft Teams. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.